Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making an easy shepherd pie in a Power XL air fryer grill combo. Alright, I'm starting out in my Power XL and I have it preheated on saute at the default setting at 350 degrees. And I have 2 pounds of ground beef here. This is 80/20. I'm going to get that down in there. And I'm going to start to break this up and brown this up. Now I might have to drain some grease off of it because it's not super lean ground beef. Okay, now that my ground beef is about halfway brown and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to add in 1 onion I diced up. If you really want to make this easy, guys, you can simply just either go to your grocery store to the salad bar, get some diced onion, or just put onion powder in there. And I have a 12-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to put them in there. And I'm going to add in some salt and pepper. I'm going to go for about a teaspoon of each because we're going to put some gravy in here and that has salt in it. And I'm going to allow this to fry on a saute setting for a few minutes till my vegetables are thawed out and cooked some and the onions tender. Alright, I allowed this to saute for about 5 minutes. My vegetables are thawed, cooked through, and my onion is softened. Now my carrots have a little bit of a crunch to them, but they're not raw. If you like yours softer, I would let this go for a few more minutes, but I like it just the way it is. Now I have 2 packs of brown gravy mix. I'm going to sprinkle that in. And like I said, guys, this is easy shepherd's pie. And if you don't have a Power XL, you could easily do this on a stove top in a skillet or a big pot and then transfer it into the oven once you put your mashed potatoes on. So there's 1 pack, and here's the second pack. And I still have this set on the saute setting. And I'm going to go ahead and stir that gravy mix in there. Explosion of beef right now, guys. Alright, now I'm going to add in 2 cups of cold water. Give this a good stir to get that water mixed in with the gravy. And I'm going to leave this on saute uncovered, and I'm going to allow this to cook for a few minutes till that gravy thickens up and everything heats up in there. Alright, I allowed this to go just for 2 or 3 minutes. You can see my gravy's thickened up and it's hot. I turned it off. Now I have 12 servings of instant mashed potatoes I made here. Like I said, this was going to be easy. You can make homemade mashed potatoes if you like, but we're taking the easy way out. Just give these a stir. A little bit of flakes in there. Alright. And I'm going to get my potatoes down in here. And guys, we call this shepherd's pie, but actually it's cottage pie. Shepherd's pie has lamb in it. Cottage pie has beef. But over here in the States we call this shepherd's pie. That's why I put that in the title. Just wanted to straighten that out for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and smear these potatoes all over the top here. You just want to try to cover corner to corner the best you can. Looking good. Get this little bit of potato off of there. Alright, I'm going to close down my lid. And I'm going to select the bake setting. Now this is set at 325. I'm going to up the temperature to 350. And I'm going to turn my time, it's at 35 minutes. I'm going to turn it down to 10 minutes. And I'll check it halfway through at 5 minutes because it's not going to take long under the air fryer lid. Now it's preheating. Once it preheats, it'll start air frying. I'll check it about 5 minutes in. Okay, between the time it took this to preheat, it only took this 5 minutes to get nice and golden brown like that. I'm going to finish it off by putting a little bit of parsley on top. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try for you. Get some of that ground beef with gravy, mashed potatoes. It's really delicious, guys. You get the beefiness of the gravy and with the ground beef, the creaminess of potatoes with a little bit of crunch on top from browning them under the air fryer. The vegetables have a little bit of a snap, but they're not raw at all. They're cooked through. That's really easy and it's really delicious. And like I said, if you don't have a Power XL, just do it on stovetop in a skillet or a pot and then transfer it in the oven for a little while to brown them potatoes up. Alright, there you have it. Easy shepherd pie in a Power XL air fryer grill combo. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.